I've got a match prediction and trading tip for the ATP Tokyo final. It's being played Sunday morning at 8:30 between Russian Aslan Karatsev and American Ben Shelton. They start around about evens. See if I can pick a winner. Right then, head to head, 1-0 to Shelton. That was September this year at the US Open on a hard court. He won in 4 sets. Look at who they've played this week and how they've done this year. Karatsev hasn't lost a set. He's really found some form recently. Also made the semis in Zhuhai. He's beaten TFO. His form has dipped a little bit recently. Zhang's decent player. Obviously Domino, really good win there. Underdog in the first 3 rounds. In Shanghai he lost to Hallis, which was a little bit disappointing. Same as in Zhuhai, 3rd round at the US Open. 2nd round Washington and the semis in Pune in January. Okay, Shelton had to work pretty hard this week. He needed 3 sets, in fact a 3rd set tiebreak against Daniel. I thought Thompson would beat him. Shelton came through in 3. Tommy Paul, easiest match for Shelton this week. He was beaten in straight sets, and then Giron's been in excellent form. And a really tight 3-setter, Shelton coming through. Quarterfinals in Shanghai. Semis at the US Open, 2nd round Cincinnati and Toronto. Quarterfinals at the Australian Open. Let's take a look at the numbers at the bottom. Hardcourt main tour 1 year. Okay, so over 12 months, Shelton leads service holds. Fairly even on first serve win, first serve points 1 percentage. As Karatsev has the edge. 2nd serve points 1, better for Shelton. And predicted holds pretty even. So in terms of service, I would give Shelton the slight edge there. He's got 3 of the 4 main stats. Return games 1 and return points 1. Favour Karatsev. But Shelton's got the edge there. Let's look at 3 months. That looks like the same pattern. Shelton's got service holds. Karatsev, first serve points 1 percentage, 2nd serve points 1 percentage. Better for Shelton, and he has a very small advantage on predicted holds, so they're getting closer. Last month, or in the last month. Okay, shifting towards Karatsev a little bit. Service holds better for Shelton. First serve points 1, 2nd serve points 1, and predicted holds better for Karatsev. So looking at the whole thing together, it looks like 3 sets. Shelton's been better over the longer period. More recently, as we've seen in his results, Karatsev has raised his level. Look at stats for the tournament. Karatsev pretty much all the way. First serve percentage is all that Shelton leads. But if we look at who they played this week, so Karatsev, Mochizuki, probably didn't expect to get as far as he did. Semi-finals, he's had pretty good time of it recently. Domino will have been disappointed to lose that one. Zhang is a little bit hit and miss. It can be superb, can be a little bit disappointing. The same with TFO. All those beaten in straight sets. I think Shelton's had to work so much harder for his place in the final. That was probably a kick up the arse in the first round. Didn't expect him to need a third set tiebreak against Daniel. Did expect Thompson to beat him. Thought that would go to 3, but I thought Thompson would edge it. Shelton got through that one. Tommy Paul having a pretty decent season, to be honest. He can be a little bit hit and miss, but I would say he's more consistent than TFO at the moment. And Giron has been in superb form. Certainly didn't expect to see him in the semis, and he pushed Shelton all the way. So I think Shelton's had to work harder for it. I think he'll be better prepared for the battle in the final, and I'm going to give him the edge in 3 sets. So for a trading plan, I'm looking to lay Karatsev around 1.65, remove the liability at 2.1, and it's worth a lay of the set 1 winner. Good luck if you get involved. If you like the video, find it useful, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one.